In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly where the setting lives and how to pick a size that makes web pages easier to read without distorting the layout. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the very top right corner of the window for the three vertical dots. This is the More menu, and it's where Chrome keeps most of its app controls and settings. Click those three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's main settings page, where you can adjust everything from privacy preferences to appearance. On the left sidebar, click Appearance. This section controls how Chrome displays content, including themes, the Home button, and most importantly for us, the font size used on websites. Now, locate the Font Size section. It's typically near the top of the Appearance page. You'll see a drop-down menu next to Font Size. Go ahead and click the drop-down to reveal your options. You can choose from very small, small, medium, large, or very large. Medium is the default and works for most people, but if you're finding text too tiny or too cramped, try large or very large. If you prefer to fit more content on the screen and don't mind smaller text, small or very small might suit you. As you make a selection, Chrome applies the change right away. Open tabs usually update automatically, but if a page doesn't reflect the change, a quick refresh can help. Keep in mind that this setting adjusts the default text size that websites use when they respect your browser's preferences. Some sites have their own style rules and may not change dramatically, especially for headings or special components. That's normal. Also, this affects the text on web pages, not images or videos. If you're deciding between sizes, try moving one step at a time and read a few paragraphs on a site you use often, like a news page or a documentation site. Aim for a size that feels comfortable over long sessions, so you reduce eye strain. Remember, medium is a good baseline, and you can always come back and tweak it later. A quick note: font size is different from page zoom. Zoom scales the entire page, including images and layout. Font size focuses on text. If you need broader scaling or per-site adjustments, keep that in mind for future fine-tuning. And that's it. Open Chrome, go to the three dots, select Settings, click Appearance, find Font Size, and pick the option that works best for you. Enjoy a more comfortable reading experience right away.